How's it going, folks? Mark Findle from Music Education for All, and today I want to do a short video on the Arturia Keystep Midi keyboard. I just love this small keyboard. I've had it for about maybe 5 months now, and at a $130 price point, it is such a cool machine. And so yeah, let's get into it. First of all, there are no sounds in the machine at all. It has to be, it's just a MIDI keyboard, so it has to be, you have to get the sounds from another synthesizer or from a computer. But that's easy enough. I've even hooked up a phone to the Keystep, and it's worked great. So lots of options of plugging MIDI in, MIDI out. The keys are pretty slim, but they're really fun to play, surprisingly, and they have velocity and aftertouch. I've had just a lot of fun with it. You know, they feel pretty good, actually. So hopefully you can kind of hear that, or at least see, you know, like the keys have a good feel to them, which is really important to me, anyway. It's got a sequence mode, and it's got an arpeggiator, so you can sequence chords or notes into it. It's got octave controls, of course, and this button will play, you know, your sequence in a different order, up or down, random, twice as fast, etc., etc. This is a time division button, so we'll play at a different in a different time, so faster or slower, and then this is your BPM. So right now I have the Keystep hooked up to 3 different synthesizers, and I can switch between all 3 of them. And yeah, it works great. There is sync in I/O ports, MIDI ins, MIDI outs, USB that you can connect to your computer. That's all on the back side here. Yeah, what else? The sequence can be like 64 steps up to, so you can have pretty long sequences. And even something like this would hook up great to a modular type of synthesizer. So if you're going to get into modular, that's not something that I've really gotten into yet, but maybe down the road doing some sound design or something like that. You could hook that up easily to a modular synth. So this little keyboard actually really has a lot of like expandability, a lot that you can do with it, and it should last you a really long time. And I've seen, even in a lot of pro studios, a lot of those folks that are producers and such, they still have these things. And even my buddy up the street, who's producing a lot of music, I saw he had 2 of them. So, and he said he was using them all the time. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. It's just a thought. Hope y'all are doing great out there, and make more music. Cheers.